The reason why we're all in education is for the kids, right? For the students, and how can we help foster kids? Well, in my position, I want to do the same. I'm a product of the district. So I started elementary school here, graduated from Palm Springs High School.
She was born and raised in Desert Hot Springs, humble beginnings, but she wants things to be better for herself and for all youngsters similarly situated.
I have a bachelor's in human resources, and I felt that if I could be in a supportive role, I could at least help students that way.
She is really much more than an executive assistant. She is a true leader in our organization. And I frequently rely on her expertise to navigate through issues to make sure that I'm not overlooking things.
Every organization, whether it's education or not, needs support. My role is to always think a step ahead.
She is the liaison for everything, with the student, with parent, with the teacher, with the administrator.
Her calling card is her impartiality and her ability to listen and guide and navigate.
My door is like never shut because I want to welcome people in, and I'm also representing the superintendent. So if I'm closed off, they're gonna see him as closed off too.
Before Erica came in, people were afraid to come to the superintendent's office or contact the superintendent's office. Now we have people coming upstairs just to say hello or ask questions.
The meet and greets are something that I started. We go out to school sites where we're bringing in drinks, coffees, muffins, and inviting the students, parents, community, staff, teachers to come in and speak to the superintendent.
People have an image of, quote, secretary or an executive assistant. Erica takes it to a whole new level.
One of the biggest things for us was the new policy for us getting paid as student board members. Her working behind the scenes trying to get it running and having us being able to get paid. That was like the biggest thing that stuck to me last year.
Student board members were never compensated. And so along comes this new state legislation.
When that initiative was approved by the state Congress, not many school districts have that policy available.
It was really exciting for me because it's the first thing I've done that I see directly impact students. So I was able to do all the research, get the policy in place, figure out with payroll, how are we even gonna do this?
It was her idea that made it really come to fruition in Palm Springs Unified, and her model is what the board ended up adopting.
The money kind of was like an extra layer on top of like the connections that I already made. Kind of just showed that we were valued.
And I think that giving every student that opportunity to do what they want to do in life and learn and really grow within our district is gonna create those future leaders, and they're ultimately gonna run this place.
I think that's going to be one of her biggest legacies in Palm Springs Unified, truthfully, because it's really solidified that involvement, that leadership development for our kids.
So winning this award has really, really helped me realize that I am appreciated. My personality now is keep on doing what you're doing, and what are you gonna do next?